Hello friends, welcome to Timeless Foodies. This is Pallavi, and if you're new to this channel, I share easy and tasty recipes every week. And I have been a little slow this time because I've been a little busy with my personal work and all that, but I will keep you entertained and by my recipes and vlogs. So if you're new to this channel, this is how I share my recipes every week. So if you want to watch similar kind of easy and tasty recipes, stay tuned and connected to this channel by subscribing and liking and commenting. Today, quick tip: if you want to get relief from instant cough, immediately have a clove. Keep this clove in your mouth and chew it and slowly swallow the juice, and it will give a quick relief. So do subscribe to my channel, like and comment and share, and do not forget to click on the bell icon. So to make this recipe, I've taken 1 cup of all-purpose flour. To this I've added half teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix this mixture well, and then to 1 cup we'll be adding a pinch of cumin seeds and also chopped green chilies and curry leaves. If you have, you can also make it plain by not skipping this cumin seeds and the chilies. And then half cup of curd. The curd should be a sweet one, not the sour. So mix all this well. So we will not be making a thin batter, so just mix it, and we'll be adding little bit of water so that we get the exact consistency. So if you can see, I have added little water and then mixed it well. So it's still a little dry, so yes, I've just added 1 or 2 teaspoons of water. So this is done. So now this is fine. So now we have to beat this batter. So you can see, just take your hand, your palm, and just beat it like that, so that we'll get a smooth and elastic batter. This is an instant one, so usually they keep it for hours together, that is 3 to 4 hours, but I just kept it for 15 minutes aside and then made this snack. So see, here I am beating it, and you can see it has become smooth and also elastic. So we'll beat this until for 1 to 2 minutes. That will be sufficient. So that is done. So I've kept it aside for some time, and then I have taken a wok, kadai, and sufficient oil, vegetable oil, and this is the batter that I have. So to drop this batter or to make this bonda, we have to also take little bit of water in a bowl, so that we can dip our hands in this bowl. Let us wet our hands and then take a little bit of batter, otherwise it will stick to our hands if we don't wet our hands. So here I have wet my hands first, and then taken a small ball of this batter and slowly drop it into the oil. So first I have boiled this oil so that it is nice and hot, and in slow flame or low flame you have to fry this bonda or bhaji, because the inside part of this bhaji will not get cooked if you don't do it in low flame. So this is done. I'm dropping it slowly, and slowly you'll get a very spongy snack. It's very tasty and really goes well with the regular chutney that we have for this, a very tasty chutney which will be coming up in my next video. So here it is, I've dropped the batter, and here slowly we have to tilt it on the other side and make it brown. So once you find that it is turned brown on all the sides, nice and brown color, not dark brown, just light brown, then it means the Mysore bhaji or bonda is ready to eat. It's a very quick snack. If you want it to be more spongy, you can leave it for 3 to 4 hours, but instant one, 15 minutes or max 10 minutes is sufficient for us in the evening. It's a very quick snack. So that is done. I have dished it out, and this is a second round. So with the ingredients that I have given to you, you'll get at least 10 Mysore bhajis. So it should be sufficient for a small family or 2 to 3 people. If you want to increase it, you want more, then you can increase the quantity. So this is, again, this one has come a little round in shape, nice and round. Usually these bondas or bhajis are a little round in shape if they are made by pros, and of course I'm not a pro yet, because this is something which I have learned myself, made it couple of times, and then see, now they have become nice and round. So this is done. You can see, have it with the tasty chutney, and I'll just show it to you how soft and spongy it is from inside. You can see, and it's very important that it gets cooked inside. So have this with a chutney, and it is amazing. So if you like this recipe, do hit the like button and share this recipe with your family and friends, and stay tuned until the next video for the chutney. So see you in the next video. Until then, take care. God bless. Bye bye.